Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making noodles, gluten-free, no carb, and absolutely easy to make and enjoy. Let's get straight to the point. A good choice to replace a wheat-made, rice-made, or any starch-made noodles is this Konjac noodles. It's a clear and gel-like noodles, having no carb, no protein, no fat, just fibers and water. Goes well with many cuisines from different cultures and flavor palettes. Today I'm making my go-to keto noodles. The ingredients may have already been in your fridge or pantry. I'll have 200 grams of Konjac noodles, 60 grams of green beans, 2 stems of large shiitake mushrooms, 1 large egg, 60 grams of marinated pork mince or any sausage meat of your choice, 1 stem of red chili pepper, 1 stem of green onions, 3 cloves of garlic. And condiments are also simple. 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar-free soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of sichuan pepper grounds. We have all these ingredients and condiments measured, washed, chopped, and ready to go. Preparation is crucial in all kinds of stir-fry dishes. Why? Once cooking is started, everything happens extremely quick. A good preparation ensures a successful stir-fry from start to end. Moreover, before stir-fry, have some white vinegar added into a pot of boiling water. Boil Konjac noodles for 3 minutes, and it's ready to eat or add into our stir-fry dish. Boiling in advance can wash away a funny smell from some raw Konjac noodles. Begin with a high-heat wok. Fry the egg first. A small tip sharing. Egg doesn't stick in a well-heated stainless steel wok, and just few seconds needed to cook. Add more oil. Sauté the white part of green onions. Add marinated pork mince. Garlic, mushroom stems and mushroom flesh, green beans, some hot water, Konjac noodles, and all the condiments. Before everything is done, bring back fried egg. Add red chili pepper and the green part of green onions. There you have it, a bowl of delicious keto stir-fry noodles. I wish you enjoy your favorite hearty food with your loved ones. And please always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.